Hello everybody and welcome to Alicia's Craft Shed. Today we will be making a Four Seasons tree painting, so let's get started. This quadrant will be the winter quadrant. And this one will be the summer quadrant. This one will be the spring quadrant. And this one will be the fall quadrant. Now that we're done painting the backgrounds, let's paint the ground. Autumn will be green and winter will be white. Now let's start painting the tree. Draw a bunch of lines and they look a lot like branches. After painting the tree, let's paint the leaves. Take a piece of toilet paper, dip it in paint, and mash it around. In the end, this is how our painting looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, can you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel? This will help me make more videos like so. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon on Alicia's Craft Shed.